Number 10. The Presbyterian Church in America. Most Americans have never heard of the PCA. It does not have the name recognition of the Southern Baptists or the size of the Assemblies of God, but it is doing something almost no established denomination in the country can claim: 3 consecutive years of membership growth. The PCA reported 383,721 members in 2019. By 2024, that number reached 400,751, a 4.4% gain over 5 years. The baptism data is where things get more interesting. Adult baptisms rose 16.56% in 2024 to reach 3,083. Adult professions of faith, grown adults making a first-time decision to follow Christianity, jumped 22.34% in a single year, from 4,641 in 2023 to 5,678 in 2024. Financial contributions also hit an all-time high. The PCA stayed focused on theological consistency and avoided the internal battles that fractured bigger denominations. While others spent years in conflict, the PCA was baptizing people. A 40% increase in adult baptism since 2021 makes it one of the clearest growth stories among established Protestant denominations today. Number 9. The Anglican Church in North America. The ACNA was born in 2009 when a group of churches walked out of the Episcopal Church over theological disagreements. People said it would not last a decade. It just hit the highest membership numbers it has ever recorded. In 2024, the ACNA reported 130,111 total members, a 1.5% increase from 2023. Average weekly attendance reached 96,148, a 13.4% jump year over year. That is 3 straight years of double-digit attendance growth. Baptism surged 27% between 2021 and 2022, and growth continued after that. The denomination's Director of Administration confirmed they grew in every category they track: membership, attendance, baptisms, and giving, all up at the same time. The Episcopal Church it split from recorded a 43% drop in Sunday attendance over the same decade. The two bodies are now moving in completely opposite directions. Number 8. Non-denominational evangelical churches. Non-denominational churches do not report to a central organization, which makes tracking harder. But the data that exists points in one direction. Pew Research's 2023 to 2024 Religious Landscape Study found non-denominational Protestants now make up 7.1% of U.S. adults, up from 6.2% in 2014. One of the only Protestant categories that grew as a share of the population over the last decade. The U.S. Religion Census found roughly 6,000 more non-denominational congregations in North America than in 2010, representing about 6.5 million more people in attendance. In 2023, churches reporting to the Christian Standard Survey averaged 91 baptisms per congregation, a 25% increase over 2019's pre-pandemic average. Some of that is Christians switching from other churches. But the baptism numbers show real conversion activity, not just people moving pews. Number 7. The Global Methodist Church. The Global Methodist Church did not exist before May 1st, 2022. By early 2026, it had more than 7,000 congregations. That happened because of the United Methodist Church's split over same-sex marriage and LGBTQ ordination policy. When the UMC allowed churches to leave with their property, about 7,660 U.S. congregations walked out. A little more than half joined the GMC, which holds to traditional Wesleyan theology. Going from 0 to 7,000 congregations in under 4 years is a number almost no denomination in history can match at that speed. The GMC is not only made up of transfers, it is planting new churches and attracting members from other traditions. It already operates with elected bishops, official general conference sessions, and a full denominational structure, the kind of infrastructure that took most denominations generations to build. Number 6. The Church of God in Christ. The Church of God in Christ is the largest predominantly Black Pentecostal denomination in the United States, reporting over 6.5 million members. That number has held strong while many comparable denominations have declined sharply. Founded in 1897, COGIC has been one of the fastest-growing denominations in the country throughout its history. The denomination baptizes tens of thousands of new believers every year, and its annual Holy Convocation in Memphis draws hundreds of thousands of attendees. What keeps COGIC on this list beyond just size is retention and conversion among people under 35. It has maintained stronger engagement with younger Black Americans than most predominantly white denominations have managed with their own young adults. Retention among people under 35 is the single biggest factor in whether a denomination grows or shrinks over the next 2 decades. COGIC is doing it. Number 5. The Assemblies of God. Religion researcher Ryan Burge, one of the most cited statisticians working on American religious data, has said the Assemblies of God may be the one large Protestant denomination in America that actually grows over the next decade. The numbers give him reason to say that. After COVID brought adherents to 2.93 million in 2021, the AG recovered to 2.98 million in 2023 and climbed to 3.06 million in 2024. 2 consecutive years of net membership growth. Baptisms in 2024 were up 12.1%, reaching 168,513. First-time conversions totaled 529,459 for the year. Weekly worship attendance hit 1.95 million, a 6.2% increase over 2023. Over 46% of AG members are racial or ethnic minorities, and 51% are under 35. The denomination is younger and more diverse than almost any other large Protestant body in America. That is not a coincidence. It is the growth engine. Number 4, the Southern Baptist Convention. The SBC is still losing members. Total membership fell to 12.7 million in 2024, the 18th consecutive year of decline. That part is real, but baptisms tell a different story. In 2024, the SBC reported 250,643 baptisms, the most since 2017, and a 10% jump over 2023. That followed 2023's 26% surge over 2022. 3 straight years of rising baptisms, the first time that has happened since the 1990s. Weekly attendance averaged 4.3 million in 2024, the highest post-pandemic figure yet, and up 6.27% from the prior year. In 2024, 31 out of 41 state conventions reported baptism increases. The membership number is falling partly because churches are finally removing inactive members from old roles. People actually showing up and making faith decisions are counted in the baptism figures. And those figures are heading upward. Number 3, Calvary Chapel. Calvary Chapel is a network of about 1,700 affiliated congregations across the United States. It started in Southern California in the early 1970s and became known for teaching the Bible book by book in a relaxed setting with no dress code and no performance pressure. Centralized statistics for Calvary Chapel are harder to compile than for denominations with a single reporting body. But what is publicly visible is consistent. Calvary Chapel churches appear on Outreach Magazine's list of America's fastest-growing churches year after year. Multiple affiliated churches baptized more than 1,000 people in a single year during 2022 through 2024. And the movement has shown particular effectiveness at reaching adults in their 20s and 30s with no prior church background, a group almost every other denomination is losing. Verse-by-verse Bible teaching, no celebrity pastors, numbers that keep moving up. Number 2, Hispanic Pentecostal congregations. Hispanic Pentecostalism is the fastest growing segment of American Christianity. It is also one of the least talked about. About 23% of all U.S. Assemblies of God adherents are Hispanic, and the AG's Spanish-language districts have posted membership and baptism growth that consistently outpaces the broader denomination's averages. This is not Christians switching churches. These congregations are converting people, recent immigrants, second-generation Americans, and individuals with no prior religious background, at a measurable and consistent rate. Hispanic Americans are the fastest-growing ethnic group in the country. Pew Research data shows Hispanic Protestant identification has grown steadily, with Pentecostal and charismatic expressions driving most of that increase. If conversion rates continue at the pace recorded over the last 5 years, Hispanic Pentecostalism will be one of the most significant growth stories in American religion through 2040. Number 1. The pattern, hidden across all 10. Every denomination on this list is growing for its own reasons. Different theology, different worship style, different geography, but one data point connects them all, and it is the number nobody expected to see. Pew Research's 2023 to 2024 religious landscape study found that after 15 years of steady decline, the percentage of Americans identifying as Christian stopped falling. Between 2019 and 2024, the share held between 60% and 64%. The floor appears to have been reached. More striking, adult baptisms rose across the SBC, AG, PCA, and ACNA in the same 2-year window. 4 denominations, 4 different theological traditions, all reporting more adult baptisms in 2023 and 2024 than in prior years. That kind of simultaneous movement across unrelated institutions is not explained by one local factor. And then there is the number that changes everything if it holds. Surveys conducted in 2023 and 2024 found that church membership among Gen Z, The generation born after 1996, the one researchers expected to finish off organized Christianity in America, reportedly rose from 45% to 51% in a single year, 6 percentage points, 1 year, in the generation that was supposed to walk away for good. The denominations on this list are growing right now. The baptism numbers are real. The membership trends are documented. But if the generation currently between the ages of 13 and 27 is actually turning toward faith at the rate those surveys suggest, then what is visible in these 9 denominations is only part of the picture. The rest of it has not shown up yet.